This is just a postscript to the last sort of commentary, and that is that on ONsthe channel, where he covers a lot of AI simulation number games, choreographed stuff, right, based on all the data that the data provider puts up through the ARPANET, right, a deadlight data visual information system. And so, again, we're back to number 7 because it was reported yesterday by ONsthe that they are saying that it's likely the California 7.0 magnitude earthquake, 7. The Rainbow Bridge, 7. The nose, 7. A gun is 7. Go take a look at a gun, a pistol. So James Bond, 007, right? So this is how they choreograph the visual information, and it's really rather it's not funny because it's an exercise in stupidity. Okay, although I don't like to use that word, or if you will, what somebody said the other day, willful ignorance, and that's actually very painful. Because you realize what you have as a population group as NPC characters or bots. Because if you go to look at, and I monitor these things, I go to look at all the comments when somebody puts up, oh, this is going to happen. Hey, look at this. Hey, this is going to happen. Like they got a crystal ball. So if you believe it, you're using your energy to make it happen. And that's how they do it. Okay. This is all staged. This is how they get through an artificial simulator because they don't realize they're in a simulator. So if you've got a joystick and your consciousness has free will to choose what you're going to experience, and then it will happen because the AI simulator will make a copy of that for you, of what you're going to experience based on your vibration, which is the energy that you're going to be using to experience it with. And that's called vibration perception of the visual mirror, which represents your mirror of what you experience. So now you begin to realize if they believe that, then how many minds, how much energy can they get to be used? Because they're experiencing their mirror, the data, the visual data that's being presented to them. I believe that's going to happen. And what that means is that they're not able to make, using critical thinking, to realize they're being gamed. Their mind's energy is being gamed. And that's an AI war gamer. Okay? They don't realize what a digital keyboard warrior is gaming for your mind's energy. In order to make things happen in a simulator, and they're not even going to realize that the event that they experience was of their own choosing, of their own free will to experience it, because they don't understand how the mirror works as a magnet. You attract what you fear. That's right. That's exactly right. When you are what love is, that's the absence of fear. So it's like batting flies. It gets old, doesn't it? When you've been doing this since age 4. That's aloha. Have a great day. They lost.